Bodyworks Clinic YouTube channel, and if you're watching us on our social media channels, hi from there. Here are a few exercises to work those legs and the core, and a little bit to do with shoulder mobility in there too. I'm going to do some different levels so that you can choose the level that's right for you. Please just work to your comfort zone and maintain that technique all the way through. Quality is better than quantity. Okay, so we need to start off on our backs. So come on down to your mat and make sure that your head is supported and we've got a nice long neck. Your ribcage should be nice and relaxed too, and we also need that pelvis to be in a nice neutral position. If you're not quite sure whether your pelvis is in neutral, we can do a little pelvic tilt on our mat and find that centre point that's right for you. We're then going to work into the core, bringing that tummy button in towards the spine, drawing up from our pelvis, working the pelvic floor. And we're going to switch that on to our normal stabilising position at 30%. Those hands go down just by our sides, and we're going to start with our bent leg raise, just gently bringing one leg up towards your tummy and relaxing down. Other leg comes up and down. As we lift, we need to make sure that the whole of our torso is nice and supported, and that we do not rock from side to side. So as we lift that leg up, you should not feel a dip on one side compared to the other. So we use that core to help us through. As we lift those legs up, we are exhaling, and as we pause on our brakes, we inhale. And that helps us to maintain that core pressure. Okay, now we're going to hold that leg up there on the next one. We're going to bring the other leg up to come and meet it, so we're in tabletop position. Our tabletop position is hips at 90 degrees and our knees at 90 degrees. Our lower backs may not like this too much, so you do need to activate that core a little bit more so that we are working about 40-50%, and that lower back needs to maintain that neutral position. If your back starts to arch, you're not quite strong enough for this position yet, and we need to come back down onto the floor. But if we're all good, we're up here, and we're going to take that leg down into that leg raise from tabletop. So as we lower that leg down, we come and skim the floor, keeping that leg nice and long. You can see that I'm going back to that start point and not coming right in. We maintain that tabletop position throughout. And down we go, and up. Now if your flexibility allows you to, we can then go into a straight leg and do the same thing again. Again, this is more work on the body, so if your lower back doesn't like it, it will arch, and you may even find that you're lifting from your upper back too. So you need to make sure that you are in control all of the way through your Pilates workouts. Okay, down we come. We're going to do a nice little knee hug. Stretch off that lower back and give ourselves a breather. We're going to go back into that position, and we're going to do our bent leg forwards. Now we're going to start from the lower part, and we're going to open out the hip area and take that leg out to the side. We're going to go out to the other side and back. Now make sure that your hips move but your pelvis doesn't. It's really easy to do. And cheat on. we've got those hands just over the hip bones so that we make sure that they do not shift. Now use gravity to help you on this one. Relax into the exercise towards the end to get a little bit more stretch through the hip. And if you're ready to move up, we come up into tabletop, remembering to do one leg at a time. And up we come. And we can tabletop from here and bent leg fall in the air. Now we've got balance to contend with. So we've got gravity pulling on that leg, but we need to keep ourselves stable. So slow down your movement, even make sure that you've got a smaller movement to keep the technique right. All the while we've got that core active, helping us to stay nice and still. And we are breathing through the movement, working that hip and all of the little stabilizing muscles around there. Advanced move, so for those beginners, do not try this one. Stick to the two lower levels, but for those ones who have been doing Pilates for a little while, knees together, and we're going to do our double leg fall. So we take those knees across to one side. We're keeping our shoulders on the floor, over we go completely, and then we come up. Again, rolling back to our start position. Over we go again to the other side. Roll. So you can see you've got a full twist going on, but then we are using those abdominal muscles to help pull us back to our position. And you can see there that there's no jerk action, it's nice and smooth. And up we come. Okay. Breathing through, hold, and work your way back up. Last one, and back up. Down we go. We're going to give those legs a little bit of a rest now and do our arm floats. So remember, with our arm floats, we are keeping that rib cage in our neutral position. So as we float up and over, taking those arms over the chest, over the head, we maintain that same positioning with the rib cage. So if you're not careful and you don't use your diaphragm and the rest of your core structures to keep that rib cage down, it will flare up and you'll have a rib cage that feels really open. And that doesn't help anything. And it doesn't create any kind of stability in the torso at all. So as we go up and over, we are going to use our Pilates breathing to exhale and keep that pressure in the abdomen. So you may find that you maybe get to there and you can't go any further without breaking through the rib cage and letting it flare out. In which case, we just come back down, and that's your start point. With each repetition, you will get further, and we're also going to make sure that we even up both sides as well. We are humans with bad habits, and we do find that the left and right side don't necessarily move together. But Pilates helps to iron out those bad habits, and it helps to correct them and rebalance them. So we are making ourselves aware of those bad habits so that we can change the way that we move. And last one. And down we go. Last part of this sequence, we have inside lying. So we're going to roll over onto the other side. In that side lying position, you can be up or on your elbow, or you can have a towel in the crook of your neck, or you can be right down on the floor. Now I like to be up here just because it's a bit more comfortable for me. Now in our sideline position in Pilates, we have ourselves in a hip stack position. What that means is that we have our hip bones sitting one on top of the other. That then means that our spine is in a neutral position while we're in this position, and everything works better because those muscles are in a better position to pull. Our shoulders are nice and open as well, but you can have a little bit of stability with those fingertips in front. I don't like people to put their full hand forward because it makes you lean. So fingertips please, just for a little bit of support. Next we're going to move our leg. So we're going to start with our side lying leg raise. Now we can do this in a number of ways. So we can have our bent legs together. However, you need those legs to be in line with the rest of the body. So do make sure that you have a nice straight line in front of the body. And we can side bend from here. So we are lifting up that top leg, off the bottom leg, and lifting to where you're comfortable with that side just nice and stable. Then, next level up, we can do our straight leg. So, we lift up and down with our lower leg bent for a little bit of extra stability. Okay? To make it a little bit harder again, we straighten that bottom leg so that we have less of us on the floor. And it creates a little bit more balance training for us and makes those muscles work a little bit harder. So choose the level that's right for you, and we're going to work up through this area. Working the bum, working the hips, and all the way through the leg. And up we go. Now we can add a bit of a fascial element to this, and we can lift ourselves up with a bent foot, flexed foot, and as we go down, we point that foot and come down, and you will feel that you stretch the leg at either side as we go up and down. It is an option, and it does take a little bit of coordination, so if you're new to this, do make sure that you just get that leg up and down. Don't worry about the foot at all. That can come later on. And up we go, nice and strong with that leg. And we're working in between the panes of glass. So that leg needs to stay in that same plane as the rest of the body. And down, last one. Lovely. Now we're going to add our flexion and extension work. So we're going to take that leg forwards in front of us. And then we're going to take our leg back. Now as we take that leg back, you will want to sway forwards. It's a natural reaction for us to do that, to keep ourselves balanced, but we don't want that to happen. We want these hip flexors at the front to stretch. So I want you to slow down your movement and hold your position and stretch it through. And we come forwards. Again, just to where you're comfortable, and back we go. Like everything else in Pilates, your start point is your start point. You will get better as time goes on. And back. So my day job is not to do Pilates day in, day out. As you will be able to see by my extensions, they're really quite stiff, my hip flexors, as I spend my time over a massage bed providing therapy. And back, and forwards, back, and again, last one, and back. Lovely. Bring that leg forwards. Stretch if it needs it, if it's burning and it's not your friend anymore, give it a little rub, it'll be fine. Up we come, so we're going to gently come up onto the other side. So work your way onto the other side. And in the position that you're in, whether that be both legs bent, top leg straight, lower leg bent, or both legs straight, we're going to work in that position on the other side. So we're going to go straight up in our side lying leg raise. And up we go. If you would like, add your flexion and your pointed toes, doing our fascial work while we're working those legs. And down, nice and strong, keeping that hip firmly in its hip stacked position, and of course breathing through all of the way. And last one. Lovely. Now we've got those legs front and back. So we're going to come forwards and backwards, and again swinging. So you can see that I am flexing and pointing my feet in the directions that we're going to add a little bit more stretch and a bit more flexibility training. Again, it is an absolute option. You do not have to do that. Okay? And you're going to where you feel comfortable. And back. And we've got our last one. And a little rub if you want to. And that's our leg sequence done. Remember to stretch out as you need to, or if you're going to do a full class, hop onto another sequence and make it a full hour. See you next time.